how to fix Snapchat lag in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on Snapchat and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your Snapchat. After clear the cache memory of Snapchat, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then press and hold on Snapchat app and then uninstall your Snapchat app and reinstall it. After that, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.